welcome back to my channel. I am Aram and in this video we'll be talking about how we can create a new sequence inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to understand what is sequence. So sequence is basically kind of a file, which means that we are making multiple sequences within the project. So I am in Premiere Pro now, and let's import some footages. And let's take 4 footage. Okay, this. Let's take. Now let's make it bigger. So now we'll be making a new sequence. So there are few methods to create. I'll be telling only 2 because they will be very easy. Okay, so first you can just press Ctrl N and you can just take ARRI and just hit OK. And you can also name it. So I will be naming it editing because editing clip I will be taking in. Okay, editing and okay. It has made a sequence, and after that you can drag on our timeline, and now it is showing that the settings of our sequence is different and the setting of our video is different. So you can just change sequence settings. It will be changed according to your video only. And the second method is you can just drag and drop your footage on new item. You can see new item here. Let's drag and drop new item because there is sequence, so it is making directly your sequence. Okay, now you're just thinking we have made sequence, and now you can see there are double. If you can see, like there are this sign is for video, this sign is for audio, and this is for sequence. You can just see. So this logo, they are making so many logos so that you can understand like that this is sequence, this is video which is having audio, or only video which is not having any audio. So like this video, you can see only video, not audio. So it's quite awesome. We can identify very easily. So now we have made 2 sequences, like you can see here, the boy editing. So it's quite awesome. Now you can check the settings of your sequence. So how you can do, like I am in second, that boy one, so you can just go to sequence and sequence settings, and you can see the result. Like it is frame size, editing mode, time base, pixel aspect ratio, very good. Okay, and if you want to go in of editing, so you can just go to editing, sequence settings, and you can see quite awesome. Or if you want to see the properties of your sequence, so you can also see it. You have to just right click on your sequence, not video, sequence. Right click on it and go to properties, and you can see the properties very easily. You can make it bigger like this, and you can drag it also. So this is the result. So that's all for today. If this video helped you, click on like and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, tada.